YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. Um, on my last video, like 2 videos back or something like that, I made a promise that I'm gonna show you guys how to flip $100 with 2 methods, right? So this is the first method we are gonna use to flip this $100 account, and that method is called the conservative method, right? So which means I am taking slow trades, right, with little risk, very little risk, with a very bigger reward. So which means I'm risking a percentage, at the same time I am getting a bigger percentage, right? So which will help my account to grow faster, better, and way more safer compared to the next method I will be dropping soon. Alright, so if you're new to this channel and you're finding value to this video, right, and more that is coming up, do it to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. Stay safe. Let's go. Now, this is the first setup, right, and it's on the 5-minute time frame. Now look at my stop loss, right? My stop loss is wide as hell, right? But this is safer because, come to think of it, right, before the market approaches that level, it has shown a change in perspective or change of character in the market. So which means if the market gets to that level and hits my stop loss, it means the trade is invalid. The trade is not supposed to sell. You get my point? Now I'm using one lot size. Now the reason is because of the calculated risk, which I have already shown you guys. So if you look at my stop loss, it's still far, meaning I have enough room to breathe. Like I have my trade have enough room to play around, to run and do whatever. That's why I did the stop loss like that. Okay, so just leave 2 position, which is risking 50 dollars, so 50% of my account. But let's see the outcome, guys. Okay, so what did I say? Smooth, right? So at the end of the day, it all turned out perfectly, right? Now we have drawdown, but it's not gonna kill the account. It's not gonna destroy the account. The account is still gonna stand strong, stand firm. And as you guys can see right now, our TP is smashed as always, right? So now I'm gonna be trading, taking another trade. But before then, look at how this trade played out, right? It played out so well, so clean, so perfect. But not all trades are like this. So we have to pick trades. That's one thing you need to know. Always make sure you are picking the right trade, one, and also make sure you are following your plan, because assuming I did not follow my plan, right, and I over risked, and the market still went in my direction but blew my account. So that is something you really need to have in mind when trading conservatively, right? So let me show you guys the history, right? As you guys can see, so if you put my marker there at my SL level, you're gonna see that the stop loss is even far from reached. Like I'm still having more. So meaning even if my stop loss, like the market passes that level, it will not blow my account straight up. It can give me a margin call, but it won't blow the account. But in this case, it did not give me no margin call, and I didn't blow the account as well. So it played perfectly. This is a very nice example. That's why I said it was perfect. It was a very nice example because not all trades will give you sniper entries when using the conservative method, because I'm putting drawdown at my level. I'm still taking that drawdown because I know I'm trading conservatively. So get the point, okay? Now, the next conservative trade, of course, I'll be calling it conservative trade, right? To always remind you. So that's why you need to watch this video to the very end, so you guys can get the full understanding of how to step up your account as well. Now, if you look at this is EURGBP, and EURGBP is just the previous trade we took on USD CHF. We are having EURGBP as well. So this EURGBP is still slow, still, not fast like crazy fast like volatile pairs, but it moves, right? That's what I can say. It moves, not slow, not too slow, but just normal. It moves, right? Now we look at the setup we had. We are using the moving average. That is the strategy I'm using. The moving average in combination with my APA, right? The advanced price action concept, right? So the reason why I put the moving average there, so you guys can see how helpful it can be when analyzing your charts. I dropped a video on moving average. If you haven't watched that video, do wait to watch the video. It's on my channel. I dropped a lot of videos using moving average, so it can help you and improve. Now if you look at this is my stop loss right now. I'll be risking over $150 for this trade, so it's I'm using a bigger lot. Now the reason is because of the commission, so I'm taking everything in, so I don't want to use little amounts. So I just want a straightforward target, right? A stop loss and a TP. So in this case, I'm putting my stop loss and I'm putting my TP. Okay, so this trade, the lesson for this trade, now the lesson for last trade was basically discipline, right? Trying to follow your plan, which I did, and everything, and holding on to your TP. Now in this training, this particular trade, we are going to be, number one, anticipating the normal risk to reward ratio, which is putting your stop loss and TP intact. Number two is looking at how to manage your trade even when using that same method. So in this case, I'm gonna leave my SL where it is. Okay, I'll leave my SL where it is because I wanted to put it at break even, but absolutely there's no need. Let me leave it there first. Now the reason why I removed the TP is because you already know where the TP is gonna be. Okay, so you already know, so it's at that rectangle right there, so there is absolutely no need for me to put my TP anymore. The reason why I removed it, so that if I leave the chart, do something else, I don't want to see that my TP has been hit and I don't get to explain what I need to explain for you guys. So this is a step, this is a process, right? As you guys can see, our SL was almost hit. Our SL was almost hit, but it did not, it was still there, it's safe, right? So it's almost like the previous trade, and that is the main reason I did an SL. That was the main reason I did an SL, because it was almost like the previous trade, right? So I just put it there so that anything that happens, right? So on the previous trade, I did not put it. So I just like, okay, it's the first trade, let's see how it goes. If it goes well, fine. If it doesn't, no problem. But on the second trade, I have to put SL because I want to teach you guys something very important. So if you find value already, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, all right? Because what you're learning right now, a lot of people don't actually give it the right way. Okay, now what did I do next is put my stop loss at break even. Now why is because my trade has passed 50% of what I was risking. I was risking, remember I said $150, right? Now I've gotten $200, so which means it has surpassed, you get my point. Now it has approached my TP level after some time. Now it went crazy, it was going giving drawdown, it was running back, but at the end of the day, it hit TP. Now this is where the problem started. It hit the TP and it reversed. Because remember I said I let's say I left the chart, right, and go do something else. I'm not monitoring all these things, right? Now guess what? It hit my TP and I don't get to explain how it hit my TP. It's not going to make sense. So that's the main reason I removed the TP. Now if you look at this case, it's a very clear example, right? Very perfect, like the previous trade. How the hell this happened? Look at this, guys. It hit the TP and it reversed. So this is psychology playing it, manipulation setting up. A lot of things are not in your head. You're not like okay, let me close this trade, or I don't know, I think I failed. No, stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. My strategy is saying it's gonna hit the TP, and it's gonna give that momentum of TP hit, just like the previous trade. You see the previous trade, it hit TP very nicely, like the sniper, like all the candles were even red, I guess, and look at how he smashed it. So what did I say, guys? In everything you do, you have to make sure you are doing the right thing at the right time. So that's how I was able to flip $100 to $500 conservatively, showing you guys step by step everything live, and making you understand the cycle of trading. So guys, if you do well, like this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release a new banger, you're gonna be the first to get notified. And if you want to join the inner cycle, use the link in my video description and reach out to me to join. VIP is already on the way, which is we are doing a massive flip this month. So if you want to partake on that, do it to reach out using the link in my video description, because we are doing a lot of stuff already. If you have joined my free Telegram channel, you guys will know I post my daily trades every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year. Anyways, yo, I love you guys. This is actually it, guys. See the history there, everything transparent as always. And yeah, it was a nice trade, and hope it was helpful, and it has helped you guys see the entire structure when it comes to trading. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video using the aggressive method, and even more videos, more gems coming up. So do it to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. I will see you in my next video. Peace. Custom on the beat.